Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain in Crypto. Today, we have a lot, as I promised yesterday, to run you through as to what's happened in the industry of blockchain and crypto. Now, in just a few minutes, we'll be bringing investors in to break all of this down on VCTV, but nonetheless, let's run through it. First and foremost, Jack Dorsey has sold his famous first tweet as an NFT or non-fungible token for $2.9 million after putting up the NFT for auction a few weeks ago. Now, this final closing price actually surpassed Justin Sun's $2 million bid. The tweet itself says, just setting up my Twitter, which was posted on March 21st, 2006, and the first tweet on the social media platform following its inception on the same day. Congratulations, Jack, and to the Twitter team. Next up, Time Magazine has decided to enter the NFT game and will be auctioning off 3 NFT covers based on the iconic Is God Dead? Now, Time Magazine is looked at embracing the blockchain digital art movement, also recently looking for a CFO, a chief financial officer, who is familiar with NFTs and cryptocurrencies to hire and bring on board, but will be auctioning these 3 non-fungible tokens to inspire on their most iconic covers over the decades. And this will all be around the theme of Is blank dead. Everything will be auctioned off on Super Rare as well. Next up, Bridge Oracle launches the first public oracle on Tron's blockchain. The Bridge Oracle will function with the help of its native token, dubbed the BRG token, issued back in August of 2020. Bridge Oracle is a protocol that is aimed to serve as a chain link alternative on the Tron blockchain, live now after it successfully launched mainnet just a few weeks ago here in March of 2021 as well. Teller Finance brings its unsecured lending to decentralized finance, or DeFi, via fintech giant Plaid. The algorithmic credit risk protocol, Teller Finance Limited Alpha mainnet, is now live on the Ethereum blockchain, following a testnet earlier this year. The protocol links with traditional finance player Plaid and other data providers to provide real-time credit risk information on the blockchain, and is bootstrapping in a novel way through NFT, or non-fungible token, liquidity provision. So stay tuned more on that. Next up, lightweight blockchain Mina launches their mainnet. Congratulations to the team. Mina, a proof of stake, or POS, protocol designed by O1 Labs, announced the launch of its mainnet earlier this week. The lightweight Mina has a fixed blockchain size, of 22 kilobytes, which it maintains by discarding blocks as they elapse as well. Next up, Blackstar plans to launch a digital trading platform of its own and a digital trading of its own and other firms' shares, so equity shares, via a blockchain platform using Amazon's technology. The Blackstar digital trading platform, as it's to be known as, is expected to be completed in the next 90 days, so right around the end of Q2. And a working demonstration of the platform simulating cash trading activity on Amazon's Hyperlink blockchain was completed last year. So again, in recap, Blackstar will be launching digital trading of its own along with other companies' firm shares as well. And lastly, congratulations to Vega Protocol, along with the Ethereum-based interoperability project Connext, CONNEXT, on their recent fundraising announcements. With that, that's the quick rundown of what's happening in blockchain and crypto today. Join us here on VCTV in just a moment as we bring investors from around the world to break all of this down as well. And you can follow us along with VCTV and all of this on LATOKEN.com. Check me out on Twitter at Kyle Ellicott to follow today's headlines and much, much more. I just recently dropped a bunch of surprises around the industry on Twitter today as well. And a big shout out to the LATOKEN team along with Maria for making today's episode of Blockchain and Crypto with your host, Kyle Ellicott, possible. With that, we'll see you here in just a few minutes. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Amir. Thank you. Hello. Always, anyone who joins, feel free to say hello. We love to hear from all of you around the world. Also, definitely throw in any comments, questions around today's topics and other news that we should be aware of what's happening in the industry around the world. With that, we'll see you on VCTV here in just a moment. Take care, everybody. Have a great